Welcome back to the channel where we talk about present and current issues affecting us in Jamaica. It's about 9 months just before the general election will be called. The JLP is saying they are fully active. They are saying that they have invested over $7 billion in streetlight. What is your take on this? Is the JLP fully active? Or they are stagnant? Will you be voting for the JLP in the next general election? What are your thoughts? Let me know your comments below. Listen to what Councillor Vernon has to say.
I tell you, it is a great honor to address conference this morning. As one of the thousands of laborites who have journeyed from Western Jamaica. When Western Jamaica pull up, this a place here, have full up. When we roll in from Mobile, you don't know, we not come to play. I am humbled to be serving our beautiful Montego Bay as mayor. And I am highlighting a few transformational work being done by our beloved Jamaica Labour Party at the local government level, and reminding you that we are fully active and there is much more to come. In 2016, this government inherited over $7 billion in debt to JPS for street lighting. But under the leadership of the most outstanding local government minister to have ever served Jamaica, Desmond Mackenzie, we have cleared the debt, and now we can demand better service and we can hold JPS accountable. Your JLP government started repairs on several markets across Jamaica, including Charles Garden Market, Savlamar, Stony Hill, Hopewell, Clarkstown, Highgate, and Buff Bay markets. And I can assure you, we are actively working hard to improve the conditions across markets in Jamaica. Laborites, my fellow Jamaicans, your JLP government, as part of our poor relief efforts and as a demonstration of our care for the most vulnerable among us, has built houses for the poor in just about every parish across Jamaica. We have also repaired several infirmaries, drop-in centers, and built a transitional center to bring dignity to people in need of our care. While the PNP dumped the people, we have taken them, scores of them, from our streets since 2016. Labour Party is actively securing the interest of poor people in Jamaica, and there is much more to come. In attending to public sanitation and cleanliness, we have significantly increased the number of reliable garbage trucks in the National Solid Waste Management Authority's fleet. When we took office in 2016, we only had 60 reliable trucks, and to date we have acquired over 160 trucks, new trucks. This government cares, and we are actively serving your interests. We have repaired and built fire stations and bought new fire trucks to ensure that the Jamaica Fire Brigade is in better hands and is better able to serve you. While we work under the leadership of Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Water Boss Matthew Samuda to bring more reliable and sustainable pipe water to your homes, the JLP government, through the Ministry of Local Government, has established over 50 water shops in communities across Jamaica. In other instances, we have deployed water trucks to mitigate the impact of drought conditions. Now let me speak to my people of Western Jamaica. The people of Western Jamaica have benefited from many jobs that have been created since the JLP government took office in 2016, especially in the BPO sector and the tourism and construction industries. Under the JLP government, we have seen the expansion of the Donald Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, including a runway. Under the JLP government, Harmony Beach Park has been developed. Under the JLP government, the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project was conceptualized and is being developed to ease traffic problems. We know traffic is an issue, and we have taken active steps to fix it. Based on the vision and foresight of the JLP government, a new international airport for Negril is being proposed to ease traffic congestion and expand access into Negril, ensuring greater efficiency and convenience for Negril-bound visitors from abroad. So labor rights, this is not a circus. This is not a stage show. This is conference.
Grab your neighbor, vote for Labour. Tell your neighbor to vote for Labour.
This is the platform where we present plans to prosper you, plans to give you hope and a future. Your party and government remain active in addressing your concerns. The Jamaica Labour Party that you support has the stronger leader. We have the stronger team. We have the stronger plans for Jamaica's development. And last but not least, the Jamaica Labour Party has a stronger track record of performance. Show our labor rights.